Hello. We'd like to show you the latest little gimmick used by Steedcraft to make the production of your lost patterns for lost wax casting simple, fun, easy to do and cheap to do. The pattern, which could be something like this, is being produced on this machine, and to do it the starting point is the data, the computerized file, which is in G-code format, and you've got probably by downloading from the net, or if you're up to it you can produce your own by 3D CAD drawing and then putting it through a slicing engine which gives you the G-codes. The machine can be fed from a computer where these codes will be stored in the computer. If you want to work independently, you can put the SD card into your system controller, and as you can see, those codes will be used to control the motions of the system to produce your model. At this stage, the data has been perhaps given to you on via the web, via the net, and this very attractive, I think, design is one-to-one straight off the net in an earring shape like that, designed by Gurav Loyalka, and thank you to he or she for that design, which I find quite attractive, although I don't wear earrings. And they can be, or the codes can be scaled very easily to produce larger versions like this for a pendant, or a big and thickened version like this to make a key fob. Fine entertainment for young grandchildren. If you've got, if you're lucky enough, they'll come and drive the magic machine and produce all sorts of gubbins like this. But the special thing about these, when they're produced for lost wax, is that they're made in a special filament. There's a new filament called mould lay, which now is almost a lookalike wax. It can be it will melt out, it burns out, leaving a nice clean mould in the way that PLA doesn't. And if you don't like the shape on the texture particularly, because it will be seen that I print onto a cold bed, if you don't like the texture and you want to embellish the design, then the filament is very compatible with modelling wax. The filament doesn't melt until about 165 degrees C. Modelling waxes are well workable between 60 and about 85 degrees C, so you've got this big differential for modelling the wax, but the skeleton staying nice and stable underneath your work. And you can add to it. Adding is better, additive waxing is better than cutting this plastics, because like all these filaments, they're squidgy, they don't work very nicely in terms of filing and whatever, so your enhancements are likely to be additive, and the machine is just about ready to finish another one.